Mooji at Mooji Truck Sales, and this is Soto Welding, and they just got this beautiful dump truck, old dump truck. I'm sorry, it's a tow truck. They got this one from the Bay Area, from Sacramento, and they're gonna be removing the system and installing it on another truck. But the cool part is this truck just came right in time because they're removing this frame, this dump frame from this old truck to install on another truck. So they're making a dump truck out of this, and as you can see, they're using the forklift to hold the frame up. And that's what they do when they remove boxes. They hold the frame up with the forklifts, and then they pull the truck or drive the truck from under the frame. This is amazing. We do a lot of work with Jose here in Bakersfield, and it's really nice to see these guys in action. They do amazing stuff, amazing work. And so this is exciting. And what is really fascinating is how these forklifts can actually hold this frame. And of course, this is how they remove these boxes too. So these boxes can be 26 feet long. So that is the huge surprise, is when they're doing this kind of work with one of these big boxes, and these weigh a lot more than this frame. So what they're doing here for them is like nothing. So they're just getting ready to pull that truck from underneath the dump frame. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like a piece of cake. This looks like nothing for them. Wow. These guys are so resourceful. They understand the value of metal. They get these old trucks that most people here probably think they have no value, and they can turn them into amazing dump trucks and tow trucks. And like Jose always says, I mean, I'm always fascinated that he finds these old trucks, and he likes to work with them, and he always tells me that the old equipment is better. Look, there's that bucket system that he removed from an old truck. And there's this grapple system that looks like a brand new truck that he removed from an older truck and extended the chassis, and made this this roll-off, a grapple truck. And so when you look at these old pieces of equipment, you think, oh my God, why are they working with this old equipment? But then when they finally clean it up, sand it down, paint it, install it, fix it up, it is fascinating what it can turn into. And look at this box hanging in the air. Fascinating. Thank you for watching. Until the next video that we make about this to be dump truck.